If you're looking at how to start a fitness and health cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a fitness and health niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great one so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we need to be thinking, what is someone interested in fitness and health would look up on YouTube? So I looked up best foods for muscle building. As I look at the first 3 videos, there's a personality behind each of these channels, so I'm gonna steer away from these and I'm just gonna keep scrolling down. So looking at the next 3, I see that the first 2 do have animations as their thumbnail, so I might have to glance over both of them just to make sure. This one looks like a good one, and this one as well looks like a good one. Let's go check this one out. So just off the jump, we could already see that they have already just free stock footage of the weights and creatine in the background. There's also most likely a voiceover going on in the background as well, narrating and talking about the different foods that they're displaying in this part of the video that's going to help you gain more muscle. So you can look up information for your video just on free websites, reading some articles, gathering information, a script write, and narrate what's going on in this video. This is more free stock footage that you can easily download. Someone doing a pull-up. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, we can see that this video alone has close to 700,000 views. The channel itself, Body Hub, has over 1 million subscribers, and the video does have some decent engagement as it does have over 280 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has more information to help me get that better pump. So we literally have a channel called Body Hub, and it does cover information on literally what the information we were looking up, fitness and health. So this can easily be a channel that you can model, look for as inspiration, and just check out the type of content that they're producing. So we're on their homepage and we're gonna have information on just the blueberry effects, how to cleanse your body, what 1 minute plank can do for you, how to get bigger arms in less time, and what are some effective ways to boost up that muscle growth. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below. What is your favorite activity to do to stay fit? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. How is it going? Let's go check out how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making in just in AdSense alone. So if I go into this website, I could now check out the channel stats. As I scroll down, I can see that this channel is getting over 1.5 million views in just the past 30 days. This is a great milestone and limit to be hitting. Shout out to this channel on their success. These amount of views tell me that there's a large audience interested in the type of content that Body Hub is producing. And just throughout their monthly earnings, this channel is a little bit over 6,000. And if you go into their yearly earnings, this channel is getting over 70,000 throughout the year. This is more than your average US salary. These are some life-changing numbers. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our stock free footage. Let's go get our sounds and put everything together. And also, by the way, you do not need the most expensive camera or any camera to get started to make these videos. And no, you do not need to show your face in any of this content to make these videos possible. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like putting your workout routine together without breaking the sweat. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the fitness and health niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There will always be a demand for an audience that is interested in putting their bodies in better shape and to look out after their health. The fitness niche is also a sub-niche of the health niche, which is always going to be evergreen content. This is also a high CPM niche, so you're going to get more money per 1,000 views. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now I do want to mention the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we went over. I hope you guys can use these videos and content as inspiration. Try not to copy and be as original as you can with your own content. I would also like to say that this is also just one niche. So don't worry if this is the niche not for you, guys. We're going to be going over many other niches in future videos as well. But let's say this is the niche for you. You now have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B. You can have the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If the step-by-step guide is something that you'd be interested in, I would highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without making any of the videos yourself. Peace out.